Good afternoon. Before we get started, here's my brief explanation on how we're going to conduct our first presentations. Now, as you can see, you have two options. One, you can record like I am and have the webcam on with the screen in the background for your audience to see, or you have the other option of getting rid of the webcam. So then all you hear is your voice and all the viewer can see is what's on your screen. Now, if you want to show off how your Sprite has transformed from your very basic, rough, very pixelated start to what you have created online in Piscola, then using the webcam is a great idea. But here's what I want you to do once you've decided which way you're going to start recording your presentation. You'll start out just as you've written your script. Now you can have your script here on the side, just like I do, but you shouldn't be reading it the whole time. Hi, my name is Miss Scripture. I teach at High Desert School. We don't want to see that. What I want you to do is you should have practiced by now. If not, take a moment to do it after your warm-up and talk to us like normal. Talk to the class like normal. Hi, my name is Miss Scripture. I work at High Desert School and I love to travel the world. Since you're doing this in class, you have an audience you can actually talk to and interact with. I here just have my computer in an empty room. But once you've introduced yourself, just tell us about your Sprite. So my Sprite I've called the Power of Love. It is an avatar, and if this were a real avatar in GameStar Mechanic, my idea was to have the avatar going through obstacles and difficult levels, and obviously defeating the levels, moving on to the next one, with the idea being the power of love wins in the end, because you're going to win in each level. You'll make it through each obstacle, defeat all the enemies, aka love wins all, at least in fantasy. Now, how did I come up with the idea? Honestly, it was a random idea. I needed to show you guys how to do something, and so I had to give an example. So the first thing that came to mind was a heart. Okay, draw a heart. But then I developed it, and it progressed, and it became, well, how do I animate this heart? Do I make it spin? Do I twirl it? Do I have it jump up and down? Do I give it a face? And as you can see from my screen, I went with colors. So I have different colors, and it just goes on repeat, and it's flashing, ideally. It's not perfect yet. I would make some changes so that it flashes better. Maybe change the colors because they don't all go together smoothly, but that is something I can reflect on and improve on for the next time I do a project like this. Otherwise, that's it. That's all there is to it. It's a quick 2-minute speech. Good luck.